Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can get unbanned from Omegle without VPN. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to search for the Omegle like I am doing and open the website. But when you are on that website you can see that you are unable to use because you are blocked. So let me show you. As you can see that, so how you can access Omegle without using VPN. So you need to download a different browser. You can download Opera Mini, that is the best browser, or you can use Mozilla Firefox. So Mozilla Firefox, so you can use any of the browser and you can easily access Omegle on both of these browser. So this is the process by which you can get unbanned from Omegle without VPN. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.